Hi to students and parents. As schools are going to start in June, I want to discuss small tips for students' correct education and how to get good marks. It is very easy to get good marks if we follow simple tips daily. Students should revise tables and formulas compulsory 10 minutes tables and 10 minutes formulas according to your classes. If you are a 10th class child, revise from first class to ninth class basics, fundamentals, main points, and all the formulas and tables, squares, cubes. If you are perfect with the squares, cubes, tables, and formulas, you can calculate maths easily, properly, and you can do fast. You can do the sums fast. Because in exams, some students are telling that they could not able to attend the full question paper because of less time. If you practice properly, perfectly, you will get proper time to complete the question paper. You can finish the exam and you can get 10 minutes more to recheck if you are perfect. Unless you are perfect with the subject, you can't write the exam fast, you can't attempt the question paper, and you can't recheck. The only tip to get success is practice. Many students want good marks, good result, first rank. Their dreams are big, their goals are big, their ambitions are big, but the main thing, they won't practice, they won't work hard, they won't revise the books, they won't revise the reference books. Without practice work, you can't get success. Hard work is must, students. 10 years to 20 years education is very important part of life. If you have good habits, good manners, politeness, and good education, after 20 years you can have an excellent life. Because 20 years education can give 80 years happy healthy life. Practice well, read loudly, write neatly. Some students are not writing neatly, the teachers or anybody can't understand their handwriting. Focus on that and kindly revise English subject, grammar, punctuations, nouns, parts of speech, active voice, passive voice, subject, predicate, letter writings, English grammar, passage writing, and handwriting. All these are simple and easy. If you revise the books, you will get it. But without practicing, without revising, without reading, without by hearting, without understanding, you can't get education. Therefore, children, every subject is very important, and don't be afraid of any subject. First, and education is not a ready-made thing to get as soon as possible. Without hard work, without practice work, you can't get anything. And if you read one day, you can't get first rank. If you read 1 month, you can't get good marks. It is a daily process, it is a regular process. Because for a ninth class child, he or she should be perfect with first class to 8th class subjects. Then only ninth class will become easy. If you are not perfect with old classes portions, then how can you get the present class portion? And I request all the teachers, before starting the class, first 5 to 10 minutes kindly revise the basics. It is a very easy tip to improve 80%, 90% of students and create the interest. And telling stories, explaining with many steps, it will create interest. And if the children get interest, they can read easily, properly. They should like the subject, they should understand the subject. Without getting basics, some students can't able to get the present portion. Therefore, all the teachers should compulsory revise the basics, fundamentals before telling the present portions, so that it will make our children diamonds. Telugu, Hindi is very easy. Some students are very much afraid of languages, but it is very easy if you get minimum basics, a, I, e, గుణింతాలు, ఒత్తులు, మాత్రాయే, బారకడి. Everything will become easy if you get basics perfect. Therefore, practice well, work hard, get ready, revise all the topics to understand the present portions, understand the parents, understand teachers, know the value of time, know the value of money, know the value of books. All the best, students. Work hard, practice more. Don't expect good marks, good result without practice work. Some students are wasting precious time with cell phones, gossips, playing. Yes, games are very important. Physical strength and mental strength both are very important for happy and healthy life. But have a balance, have a time management. Students should plan daily 24 hours, proper sleep, proper food, proper study. Because if you study well, then you can have a happy, successful life in future. Parents are working very hard. Parents are giving all facilities to children. Other than that, what they can do, you should understand. You should help parents 5 to 10 minutes daily in the house. You should help them. You should understand them. You should make them happy with your studies, with your good behavior, good manners. If you are very good, they feel very happy, energetic, enthusiastic, because parents' love is unconditional. Parents are the biggest gift of God. Love parents, like parents, understand parents, and help them and make them happy with your good studies and good behavior. Okay, children, revise tables, revise formulas, revise Telugu, Hindi basics, English grammar, all your old class portions. If you revise, it will become very easy when school starts, and you can understand the present portions if you are perfect with old class portion syllabus. More practice, more marks. Less practice, less marks. And it's not a ready made thing. 1 day, 2 days is not enough. It is a regular process. Read loudly, write neatly, understand the subject. All the best.